what is given, D1 is parallel to D2. So this line is parallel to this line, and this line is parallel to this line. So these are the two examples. So the principle you are going to use to define the value of x is just, you have to remember the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are those angles just between the slant line and this horizontal line. So this angle and this angle, we call them alternate interior angles, and this angle and this angle, we call them interior angles. That means they are equal. They are equal. We call them alternate interior angles. So based on this, just you can solve this one. The first example, 4x. If they are equal, that means 4x is equal to x plus 20. This, it shows you this is just a bisector that divides this angle into two equal parts. So this angle and this angle are equal. So that means this angle is equal to this angle. So these are similar angles or equal angles, what I'm saying. So based on this, if the first one is x plus 20, that means the overall this angle will be 2 times x plus 20. So that means 4x is equal to x plus 40. Then what we are going to do, 4x minus 2x is equal to 40, and then 2x is equal to 40, x is equal to 20 degrees. So that means if you multiply to check out just 4 times 20, it will be 80 degree, and this one 2 times x plus 20, which is 2 times, what is x? 20 plus 20, which is 2 times 40, it was 80 degree. So they are the same. So you have to use this method to solve this one. So the second one here, the second one, the same principle, this angle and this angle, this one is equal to this one because they are alternate interior angles. So that means 3x minus 20 is equal to this, and this, or just this angle is equal to this angle because this line, the middle line, is the bisector of this one, and this shows you they are similar or same angles. So that means this 3x minus 20 is equal to 2 times x because this is x plus x to x. So which is 3x minus 20 is equal to 2x, and 3x minus 2x is equal to 20. Then x will be 20 degree. So if you insert 20 here, 3 times 20, 60, 60 minus 20, it will be 40 degree. And here x is 20, 2 times x, it will be 20, it is 40. So this angle and this angle are the same. You have to use the principle of alternate interior angles to solve this problem. Thank you.